That's Hollywood puppy. What kind of trouble are you causing here, Kelly?
Gentle, gentle, yes, very nice. It's his ear.
What? I put you down and you didn't like that, huh? You're a snuggly guy. You're a good snuggler. Okay, there's just no way I can even hold anybody else when this guy's around. Here comes Kelly.
Everybody hide, here comes Kelly.
You have Hollywood and Jester. Looks like Slider's biting your toes.
She's nibbling my foot.
I have Iceman, of course.
Ice, ice, man.